Well guys, this is a video I didn't think I'd be making. Forgotten what water looks like. What a cracker of a day. Middle of winter here in New Zealand, so usually pretty cold, but today it was like 8 degrees Celsius, so really warm for winter. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I don't know whether I told you or not, but I bought a Fish Pro. It's like a year and a half old now, and obviously, as you can see, been doing a bit of R&D on it, making some new products. Rod holders on the back there, everyone loves them, but yeah, today's mission is about this bad boy. Made a bracket to fit that. Heating sensor mount on there. Yeah, I've always wanted to give a Minn Kota a try, basically just for the spot lock anchor feature, because we all know that anchoring on a jet ski is a pain in the ass, so this could really be a game changer if it works out alright. Got a big 100 amp hour lithium battery on the right hand side in the rear, which should nicely offset the weight because they weigh almost identical weights, so yeah, that should balance everything out. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, we're on the water out on the Manukau Harbour. What a stunning day. Yeah, got the rods with me, a couple rods, do a bit of soft baiting and some light jigging, but today's main mission is to test that bad boy out. See how that goes. Winter time, so trevally and gurnard will probably be the main target today, so yeah, let's get out there. Right, this is a bit toasty on the hands, didn't bring any gloves with me, but yeah, on the edge of the Papakura channel now, so first things first, gonna power this thing up, and I think I have to do a calibration on it. You go around in a couple of circles or something, but it's all done by the remote, so I'll get that sorted so it's all working properly, and then see if we can find some fish. Motor not found, motor stowed, that's what we want. Right, we'll release this, that's already powered on. Do actually have to just adjust this here. They tell you to put that down just to prevent it accidentally deploying when you're traveling. So bit of a safety feature. I can see how it could be nasty if that deploy lever there and in the water. Might have to set that depth a little bit deeper. It's driving us in that way. Right, so technically I should be able to slow that speed down a little bit, hit spot lock, let's spin around, actually a little bit of sign on the bottom there, covered in dust from being in the garage unused for so long. Might just zoom in on my GPS and we can keep an eye on what the spot lock's doing. Alright, soft bait, soft bait, soft bait. Might go for one of these little power pilchards, I think they're called. onto the hook and let's start fishing. Alright, let's chuck the pocket rocket in here. And I think I've instantly got what feels like a trevally. Oh no, it's just a little kahawai actually. Appears to be lots of them on the sounder. But first fish of the day. Back he goes. Definitely more fish down there right now, so I'd expect us to hook up pretty quickly. Preferably trevally and not a heap of kahawai. What I've done at the moment is I've just set the Minn Kota, the new ones have got drift mode, so you set the direction, set speed and press drift mode and it's drifting me at 1 mile an hour in that direction, even though the current is going that direction. So some more fish under us. Another little kahawai. Switch back to the bigger soft bait. There's lots of fish down there. Alright, so what I'm going to try now is the marker pole down there. Just going to line the Minn Kota up with that and hit drift mode. And that should start me drifting at 1 mile an hour again. Down to that marker, so see how that works. Around here. Right, so I haven't managed to catch anything other but kahawai here. Really impressed with the Minn Kota though. Well, that's working out. I set it towards that marker pole out there and that's where it's taking me, even though the current's going a slightly different direction. But yeah, it's pretty bloody impressive. Stop that. Reach over and stow that. And it is literally that bloody easy. You don't actually need to turn the motor off, you just, as long as you stop the prop, that's enough. And you're going to be using it again soon anyway, so I'll head off to my next spot and see what we can find. Might just do a bit of drifting and try to cover a bit of ground and see what we can find that way. We got another little kahawai. So he didn't have any luck up in the shallows. Gave the Minn Kota a good run though, and that's pretty damn impressive. But yeah, weather is still mint. We've got an hour until high tide, so I think I'm just going to cruise around, keep my eye on the fish finder. I could really do with having side scan fishing in the shallows like this, but obviously we don't have that on the ski. We're just stuck with the standard Garmin. So yeah, we'll just cruise around, try a little bit deeper water, and just enjoy the day. I think it's actually bloody nice to be out here again. Right, caught the first snapper for the day. So happens to be not much bigger than the lure. Go little buddy. Got something, possibly a gurnard. Actually feels decent size at this stage too. Don't really want to jinx myself. Does indeed feel like a good gurnard. Tail beats and riding straight down. Sort of feels similar to a Trevelli's tail beats. But, oh, I think it is a Trevally. It is. Would you look at that? Huh. Oh yeah. Here we go. Caught it for a gurnard. Turned out to be a Trevally. Not a bad one either. Look at that. On a 7-gram pocket rocket. Not bad. See if we can get a few more. Another fish on. Another Trevally. Another one of the target species. Another nice little eater. Well, the tide's starting to pick up now. Still a few fish on the fish finder, but yeah, it's becoming a bit too much current to be able to fish it how I would like. So yeah, we've got a couple of nice trevs in the bin, so we will probably call it at that. Might try a few spots on the way home. You can find a little bit less current. But yeah, apart from that, it's been a good day, and I'm quite impressed with how Minn Kota's been. It's just, I've just got it on a heading lock in that direction. I'll just keep it going that way. So yeah, no, it's actually a bloody handy tool. So I'm well impressed. Decided to stop on the way home. Try a few more spots in the shallows to see if that'll produce any fish, but see it's drift mode at 1 mile an hour. Should sort of turn us around and let us float down with the current, but at a bit of a slower speed than the current. That's the theory anyway. Got something decent. Possibly another trevally. It's got to be a trevally or a kahawai. Kind of feels like a trevally. Cruising along on drift mode on the Minn Kota. It's a good trevally, I can see it. He's actually foul hooked, so he's not quite as big as I thought he was, but he's still a good fish. You'll understand why he never saw this coming. Right in the eye. Still, fish is a fish. Couple meters of water, that's all you need for a trevally. The little 7-gram pocket rocket definitely seems to be the lure of the day. So we got 3 trevally in the bin. Still pretty calm out here, but I'm going to call it that because the tide's starting to rip now, so yeah, we'll head back to the ramp.